Tonight, a halt on a plan to prevent internet providers from selling your personal data without your permission.
9 on your side's Roseanne Aragon is live in the newsroom with how all of this came out and the senators who voted on this bill. Roseanne.
That's right. Every time you browse or shop or even walk around with your phone, data is being collected. Now, these companies know so much about their consumers that marketing agencies want this information. But the question is, do you have to ask to give it? This day and age, this is not uncommon. How often do you use your phone?
Way too much, constantly.
Most often, all the time.
Phones and the internet have taken over, but with that comes information about what you do with it.
Shopping, Google, Facebook.
Online dating and trying to figure out what to do wherever I am.
I shop on Amazon.
Broadband companies know what you're doing and they can share it from every website you use, every app you use, everyone you email, even financial information. But the question is, how easily can they share it?
The yeas are 50, the nays are 48.
The U.S. Senate voted Thursday to undo privacy rules recently established by the Obama administration. It hasn't yet taken effect, but it would require broadband companies like Comcast and Verizon to have to ask you to use and sell your information to advertisers. A more aggressive approach than an opt-out model. But senators voted to undo that.
It concerns me that they're doing this without us saying that it is okay.
It's about the principle of it.
The world should know.
But Senator Rob Portman and other Republican senators say it's about fair competition. While digital superpowers like Google and Facebook don't need to do this, broadband companies would. The senator stated the regulation would have caused confusion and have been counterproductive at protecting online privacy. It's my hope they use this opportunity to collaborate to develop new, less burdensome, and more uniform privacy protections for all actors in the internet. But still,
it definitely feels like an invasion of privacy.
Senator Sherrod Brown stated it's just wrong to allow corporations to make money tracking and selling sensitive information about Ohioans. Now, the undoing of the regulation still has to be approved by the House and the President to take effect. To note, you can generally always opt out of sharing your data with advertisers by calling your internet provider. Reporting Roseanne Aragon, 9 on your side.